Good morning, Principal, Vice Principal, my colleagues, and my beloved students. Today, a cloud of sadness prevails over me as I have come to address you for the last time as a teacher in this academy. I might get a little emotional at times like this, but I am truly honored for this opportunity that I am getting to bid everyone of this college a formal goodbye. I have way too many precious memories with the people hearing me today, as each of you has contributed to make who I am today. The memories I have with my colleagues and Principal Sir Javed Ahmed are way too precious ever to forget. My beloved students, it was indeed an honor to be your teacher. Even though I would not be teaching in classrooms anymore, but if you truly find yourself in trouble or need help regarding the subject, I will gladly help you. Thank you everyone for making this day.